What's up, y'all? Yo, listen. It is storming and raining outside, and my dogs are still outside. My little puppy, she's under the house. She would not come from under the house. I just went out there and stuff, and my little puppy, I try to call her, go to the where she's at, under the space where she's at. I tried to call her name, and she would like come out. She would like walk toward me, and then she would turn back around. She would not come out, and it's really lightning out there, bro. It's really going down out there, bro. Y'all don't even know how bad it is, bro. I will let y'all hear it, how bad it is.
Who are you talking to?
Look, and it's lightning too. See that, bro? Did y'all see that? That's how bad it is. And hopefully, it's some guy out there waiting for my dad
and stuff. And we need our dad here.
Do you hear the lightning? No.
We need our dad here to get his dog. And Cupcake is under the house and she's scared.
Shut up. Shut up. So, my dad's here.
Do you think we should go out?
No, because Dad's here, and he's going to get the dog, though. He has to get the dog.
I know. I'm pretty sure he's not.
He has to. It's storming. It's lightning and raining out there.
But I'm pretty sure Dad won't find Cupcake.
She's under the house.
I know, but sometimes Cupcake do not come to Dad.
Remember when Christian went under the house to get the basketball? Maybe if he goes out there with Dad, he can go under the house and grab Cupcake.
Or maybe.
I can't hear the news, y'all. Turn it up a little bit so I can hear it.
Alright, I'm gonna try to get.
Can you turn up?
Can you turn up the news?
All I see is Dad in the court.
I'm gonna try.
Might as well wait till we come in.
I'm gonna try and call him.
Try to call him.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Let me get the camera.
I got it, man. I can do this.
Can I please hold it?
Man, I can do this by myself, man. I got this.
I just want to hold it. I don't know what to do.
Destiny, I got to. Yo, don't touch my camera.
Guys, we just went out there 5 minutes ago. We did such a video because we thought it was gonna be very dangerous. So we didn't let y'all go out there.
They're not gonna go out there.
Back code while your party is
Alright, my dad. Please answer, guys. Give us a smash the like button.
Daddy, are you gonna go get the dogs?
Yeah, I gotta get the dogs outside now.
Yeah, cause me and Destiny tried to go out there early and get them. We tried to get Cupcake, but she wouldn't come out. She would walk towards us, but she would just turn back around.
Because the light, she saw the light. But me and Clark got to go out.
She under the house.
Dad, me and Clark got to go under that. Me and Clark got to go outside and go get her. Right?
So what? Alright, see ya.
Dad said we have to go out there.
Alright, bye. Alright, he said we going out there. Alright, let's go look. No, we don't have to go out there. What you say? Yeah, he's getting on the car now. I see him. He's running back there. I see him. He's right there. I don't know if y'all can see him, but he's right there. He's right there. Yeah, he's going in the house. Run him in. Get in.
He's red.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
He's not all wet, man. He's been in the house?
No, we ran around the house.
He'll come back in. Come here, man. Come on. Get in.
That way?
Alright, yo. He came in, he was running, and he literally slipped over here.
Hey, Mark.
He cold.
Huh?
Oh my god.
Turn on the heat for him.
Josh, I was so ready.
Huh? What you mean? Yo, who ate my food, yo?
That was not me.
Who ate my food?
I thought I could get one.
Man, come on, yo. God damn, I just told y'all not to eat my food. You know I told y'all that. Word, man. God man.
You so.
So who ate your mom's shit?
I did not eat mine.
So who ate it?
Mom had ate her
Who
stuff.
bit her hot dog?
I did not eat her.
Who ate my shit, man?
I did not eat
God
mom hot dog.
damn,
Her
yo.
food was in the
You know that
bathroom.
was, so you didn't hear me when I said don't touch or eat my food?
No, I was in the
Why would you ask for my plate, though?
But I didn't ask.
Why
I
would you
said,
ask for my food, though?
Mom said there was a hot dog on
No,
the plate,
no,
so I just
no.
got it. I didn't even know it was
So where's
yours.
my hamburger? What you mean?
I didn't eat your hamburger.
Who ate my hamburger?
Not me. I don't know. I saw mom had a hamburger in the bathroom though. But was it me?
Damn.